Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's tutorial video, I'll be showing you the process on how you can enable language translation option on Facebook post. Before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe and to press the notification bell icon to get updated. So let's get this video started. First of all, you need to tap and open Facebook application on your device, then get logged into your account by providing correct account credential. Now here at the homepage of your Facebook account, you need to tap on three horizontal line on top right side of the screen. You tap on it. Here you need to scroll a little down. There you can see the option of settings and privacy. You tap on it. Inside settings and privacy, you need to tap on settings. Now inside settings, you need to scroll a little down to preferences section. There you can see the option of language and region. You tap on it. Now inside language and region, at the second option, language you would like to have post translated into, you tap on it. Now here you can go in for choosing any of the language as your preferred one. I'm here with the English. Here you can go in tapping for any of the language. After you are done, you need to tap and save. And with that, the language will be saved on your Facebook account. This is how you can enable language translation option on Facebook post. Hope this video is fruitful for you all on how you can turn on language translation option on Facebook post. Thank you.